My name is Asad Kamal. I am the head of corporate sales at DS Global Private Limited. DS Global is working in the energy sector of Pakistan as a renewable energy experts and main focus on solar energy systems. As you know that solar energy system has got immense potential in Pakistan in the present date, and it has got several reasons. बहुत सारी वजूहात हैं जैसे कि increasing electricity tariffs and energy crisis, etc. And especially Pakistan has got unlimited supply of sunlight. हमारे पास almost साल में 11 महीने और भी कम कर ले 10 महीने तक जो है वो भरपूर सनलाइट जो है वो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्लाह की तरफ से नेचुरल लाइट अवेलेबल है. सो व्हाई डोंट वी यूटिलाइज इट? Coming back to DS Global, so DS Global, we are trying to revolutionize the power sector with a dynamic and innovative approach. We are working with all over the world. Our technology partners are most technologically advanced, and the network is all over the globe. We are using the best and technologically most advanced equipment in order to give the best of the product and services. What stands us out of the other players in the market, that we are providing the best of the services. We provide turnkey solutions, including starting from just consultancy, then the designing of the system, then execution, operation and maintenance, and especially the net metering consultancy and the financing consultancy as well, which is nowadays is trending too much, and especially in the industrial sector. Our main focus is on industries and the commercial sites, and also we are catering agriculture and residential clients as well. We are registered with all the major bodies, like we have got Pakistan Engineering Council certificate. Then we are also a registered vendor of Alternate Energy Development Board of Pakistan. So that's why we are authorized for installing any big capacity of solar system and the net metering as well. We try to educate our client regarding solar energy and give them best of the best. What makes us different is that in the solar market, especially if we talk about the equipment, so in Pakistan there is no exclusivity. So like in terms of product or technology, there is no exclusivity, but the major thing, which is a major factor, is designing of the system and after sales support. We have got, alhamdulillah, a very good industrial presence since last year, and we have happy clients, a number of happy clients, and we believe that we can, by giving the best of the services, we can just retain those clients and get new customers as well. So हमारी जो main कोशिश होती है वो ये होती है कि we should give the best of the design, and so that we can utilize the available space, and to make the system more efficient and utilize the available space more effectively. That is a very important part of any solar systems. And we have got foreign graduate engineers, including myself, and we have got a separate teams for pre-sales, for designing, then execution, then sales, etc. And every person we have got is highly qualified, and they are expert of their particular fields. So our team, we work day and night to provide best services to our clients. Our after sales support, we try to give you 24/7 monitoring, so that if there is any issue going with your system, we can just troubleshoot it straight away. So alhamdulillah, our clients are pretty much happy with us. So concluding my talk, I must say that if you are interested in solarization of your property, taking benefit from the solar system, net metering, or any kind of financing, or any kind of services related to energy systems, you can contact us and we are available at your services. Thank you very much.